Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So today's topic is human reproduction. What the Holy Quran says about on this topic. So there are at least two verses in the Holy Quran in which the word nutfa is used. Surah 16, chapter 16, Surah An-Nahl, verse 4, and chapter 53, Surah An-Najm, verse 46. So in Surah An-Nahl, verse 4, the Holy Quran says, Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, Khalaqal insana min nutfatim. He develops a human from a drop. Now, this detail is absolutely remarkable, and the precision with which it is stated that only a small quantity is required for reproduction. It is common knowledge that the ejaculate of a male has a volume of about 10 ml. So, I mean, for a general person, a normal person, it would seem that all of that is used for reproduction. But here the word nutfa is used, which according to Maurice Bucaille not only means a small quantity, but it means a sperm. I mean, that much precision is given in this verse, that even a sperm out of these billions of sperm which are in the ejaculate, just a sperm is enough for reproduction. Then in chapter 53, Surah An-Najm, verses 45 to 46, the Holy Quran says, وَأَنَّهُ خَلَقَ زَوْجَيْنِ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى مِن نُطْفَةٍ إِذَا تُمْنَى. Allah created a male pair, the male and the female, from a small quantity of liquid when it is poured out. Again, the same thing is said, and again the word nutfa is used. So here in verse 46, the word nutfa is used, and in verse 45, the word zojan is used, which is meant for a pair. And this word pair is same expression which the Holy Quran has used for reproduction in plant kingdom. But both these verses are related to animal reproduction, particularly the humans. And in these verses, the sexes are mentioned, male and female. Okay, let us move on. In chapter 86, Surah Tariq, verses 6 to 7, the Holy Quran says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Hulika min ma'in dafik, yakhraju min banis sulbi wattaraib. Translation, and he, that is humans, was created from violent water, which emerges from a place between chest and back. Now, these verses points towards the location of the source of semen. Allah reminds the humans about their humble origin. And Allah reminds that humans are created from drops, semen which is full of sperms, that comes out with force from a place between chest and back. Now this is point of interest, because apparently the semen is ejected from the penis, which is an external organ. These verses are talking about internal organs, but penis is an external organ. And the place where sperms are produced, that is testicles, they are also external organs. But the fact is, now we know it. Modern science science knows it, that actually the whole system through which sperms travel from testis to the penis is located internally. So that is the words between chest and abdomen that is now clarified. So this system includes epididymis, where sperms are stored, and vas deferens, that is a muscular tube that propels the sperm forward at the time of ejaculation to the ejaculated ducts. These ducts empty into urethra in the penis, where strong muscle contractions ejaculate it with force. So all these systems, they are internally placed. So here is a scientific description if anybody is interested. So at the time of the revelation of the Holy Quran, nobody had any idea of sperms or their ejaculated system. So as I said that only thing known was that a visible amount of ejaculate is there is an invisible amount of ejaculate and that causes reproduction. And how it is ejaculated, nobody knew about it. And it was impossible to know that this system is located within the body because apparently this is not true. As I said, the testicles and penis both are external organs. And it was also discovered much later that testes produced sperms because at that time nobody had an idea from where this semen is coming. It was Antony van Leeuwenhoek, very famous person who was also called father of microbiology, was the first to describe and visualize spermatozoa in an ejaculate in 1677 AD. I mean, he was the first person who said that there are tiny living things in this ejaculate, which are sperms. So it can only be the divine knowledge conveyed through the Holy Quran that the ejaculated system for sperms is located inside the body. Thank you very much for your attention. And these are on this topic of verses of the Holy Quran, I have taken up different subjects about the universe, the earth, the origin of life, then the verses related to mankind, and now these are the verses related to human body. And these are my completed series. Thank you very much for your attention. You already know how you can reach my vlogs. Allah Hafiz, till the next time. Thank you very much once again.